How to make money with the multiple income funnel program. Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video specifically, I'm going to reveal exactly how to make money with the multiple income funnel program. If you are someone who is brand new to online marketing, if you hate selling with a passion, if you are non-technical, and even if you are, I'm trying to think of a fourth benefit here, but I'm, whatever other excuse you might have, then this video should of course help to break any sort of objection you have, and of course will help you get up and running with this specific program, right? So I just want to say real quick that a little bit later on this video, I've got some really cool bonuses that I want to share with you that will help you get up and running much faster, help you get into profit much sooner, and of course, give you more additional support from myself, right? So I'm super excited to reveal exactly what that is, but of course, I want to get right into things. And of course, I'll say this real quick. The goal with this video is not to go over, every sort of detail about how this works and, explain every step of the way in terms of getting this set up. Because I've done that with previous videos, in terms of walking through the 4 steps that are right here. And of course, the videos that are inside, once you of course go through it, are pretty self-explanatory, right? So if you need any other help with that, in terms of setting up the e-wallet, for example, or, doing anything else with these 4 steps, there's a Facebook group you could reach out to, there's support, and they should be able to, of course, help you with that, right? But of course, first thing foremost that you want to do when you get into this program is you want to follow the 4 steps that you see right here, right? There's videos in here that show you exactly what to do. It should be pretty self-explanatory. But again, if you have any sort of questions, you could simply go into the Facebook group right here and you could ask whatever question is you have, right? So you can go in here, create a post, ask a question. You could message one of the, creators right here, and they should, of course, be able to, of course, get you an answer in terms of what to do, in terms of, what they recommend, right? So, of course, go through here, get it set up, and then from there, that is where you can, of course, start promoting. Right now, before I really get into things, I want to, of course, show you some results to show that, this is, of course, working very well. If you are, for example, skeptical, if you think this is like, oh, is this actually legitimate? Can I really do this? Or, if you're one of those people that has like those, any sort of negative thoughts right now, I want to show you proof of concept that this is working very well. And this has, of course, been working for myself and tons of other people in this program right here, right? So if we go back in the Facebook group, there's tons of people in this specific group sharing their results. If you go to media section right here, there's tons of not just veterans, but complete newbies that are sharing their results on pretty much a daily basis. And when I say tons of new people, I'm talking about people from all over the world. I'm talking about people who are non-technical. I'm talking about people that have not done any sort of, selling or marketing online before. And there are tons of newbies in this group, as you can see right here, getting results. And, these, post right here just go on and on and on for months, and all the way up until like almost a full year that this has been going on for, right? So the program definitely is working for a lot of people. And in my case, I've been getting some great results with this as well, right? So just to show you, so far, this is just with income stream number 1, by the way. I've earned a total of $2,430. By the way, keep in mind this is residual income. So as you can see right here, these are residual payments that I'm getting pretty much every single week. You see that they just keep going all the way up until like last January was when I first started earning with this program, right? So I got in this program last December when it first launched, and I saw the power of it. I decided to, of course, jump on board, and I've been promoting it pretty much ever since. And ever since then, it's been going very well. As you can see, I keep getting payments pretty much every single week, as you can see right here, right? So, of course, this is income stream number 1. There's other ones in here like Easy 1-Up, with this one, as you can see. And this is just from a small handful of sales, like 3.5K that I've earned with this program right here. I could do a refresh to show that, this is real numbers right here. Yeah, that video just plays in but anyways, this is income stream number 4, Traffic Authority. With this one, I've earned 690 plus, so $700 that I've earned with this one right here. And of course, there's TextBot AI, which I forgot to pull up, and that one I've earned like 300 with, I believe. So, anyways, yeah, you can see this program's working very well for me. I'll also say this, I'm also on the leaderboard as of right now. I'm currently in the top 20, currently number 17 on this leaderboard to be exact. I am working my way up to the top 10, and also the top 5, which I should be getting into this top 5 definitely before this year's up at the very latest. But I truly believe that sometime either this month or next month, I'd say by November 1st, around there, I definitely see myself being in this top 5. So if you, of course, want to watch me on this journey, you could subscribe to this channel. I'll, of course, be sure to keep you updated on that. But I've also recently was interviewed by one of the trainers in this program, and as you can see right here, this is an interview that was hosted by Daniel Kump, the creator of this program, as you can see, and he actually interviewed me basically in terms of how I've been getting results. So in this interview right here, I literally shared a whole bunch of things that you can, of course, implement on. And I'll just say this. If you're watching this video and you're in the program already, I highly recommend going over to your resources tab. So that is right at the top right here. Go to resources, go to the training tab, and then watch this interview that was hosted by Daniel Kump, the one that I'm in right here, right? There's also other interviews you could watch from other top earners as well, and a lot of them, they do share some really cool stuff. So this is definitely a great place to start in terms of, to of course give you some ideas in terms of how to promote, how to get in the right mindset, how to follow up, all these types of things you will learn from these earners, these members right here, right? But when you decide to get started with this program, through the link down below, you click the first link down below, and at any point in this video you decide to get started, I've got some really cool bonuses, such as I've got exclusive training showing you how to get up and running. I show you how to get, free traffic, like, for example, this traffic jumpstart training. I reveal my #1 newbie-friendly traffic source you could plug into. It's free traffic, it's very fast, it's newbie-friendly, it's high-quality traffic, and you can get started with this specific training that I have right here. I show you very much in detail in terms of how to do this, and so it's a great way to, of course, get up and running, right? So you have that, but also in addition to that, I also have my own one-on-one coaching sessions that I host with my new members, right? So this is another bonus that I give you when you decide to join via the link down below, is I give you the chance to get on a private one-on-one coaching session with myself, where we, of course, work out a custom plan to help you get up and running, right? This is where we get on a private Zoom call, just like this, video call, where you can, of course, ask me any sort of questions that you have. I'll, of course, help you through that, and we'll, of course, create a custom plan to help you get up and running with this program, right? So a lot of really cool stuff that I offer to my members right here, and of course, you can get access to this simply by visiting the link down below, right? Now, of course, I want to, of course, get into it. So how exactly do you get results with this program, right? I feel like I rambled on quite a lot longer than I should have, right? So with this program, once you have everything set up, you go to your links tab. This gives you your capture pages, your sales videos, ebook funnel, and it has, of course, emails that go out to all your leads on your behalf, right? So this program has pretty much everything set up for you to, of course, get up and running, and of course, to start making money with this. Now, there's one thing that you need to do to get results with this program, right? Of course, multiple income funnel, just like any other program that you join, is simply nothing more than a vehicle, right? It works to the extent that you do, and of course, I got to give this disclaimer, just because you join a program does not guarantee in any way that you will get results, right? It really comes down to your effort that you put into it. If you just join it and you do nothing, you quit within a week, then you're probably not going to get the results that you're looking for. But if you decide to fully stick at this program, you're like, okay, I'm going to go all in. I see the power of this. I see that's working for a lot of members in this Facebook group and with these results right here. And you decide to, of course, go in. You decide to learn exactly how to, of course, drive traffic, and you do that consistently. Then you of course get some pretty phenomenal results with this program, right? So the name of the game is simply getting eyeballs to the offer, right? So you promote your capture page links. You could promote any one of these, right? And so the name of the game is simply getting leads, right? So I want to go to my whiteboard right here, and I want to simply draw this out. So we've got your capture page here. We'll say CP1, for example, right? And we have the opt-in field. They get into their name and email to, of course, learn more about the program. When they do that, they get taken to the next page in the funnel, which is known as the sales page right here, this one right here, that, of course, does all the selling and telling for you, right? So they get led to this page, and this video, of course, sells them on why they should join the program. They click the button here to join, and then, of course, when they buy the program, you, of course, get paid that commission, right? So this system right here, this is all set up for you. Your main focus is simply feeding the funnel with traffic, right? Now, there's a whole bunch of different ways you can go about doing this. Of course, one of the main ways is through a traffic source known as traffic authority, which also happens to be income stream number 4 inside of the program. And it just logged me out for some reason. But income stream number 4 in the program is traffic authority. And what you could do here is you could simply just pay for clicks and give them your link. It's very simple. You don't have to do anything complex here. You don't have to write any sort of long, fancy ad copy. You don't have to record this crazy video to do this. All you got to do here is select a package. You go down to step 2, grab your website link right here, copy this, go back to Traffic Authority, simply paste it in the field right here. You complete the transaction, and they will send those clicks over to your link for you on your behalf. To give you an idea, I have about 6 orders of traffic running with Traffic Authority right now. And of course, the more consistent you get with this, the better results you will have in the long term, right? So that's really the name of the game. Consistent traffic leads to consistent leads. Consistent leads leads to consistent sales, right? Now, you could do Traffic Authority. There's tons of other ways. Like, for example, YouTube is a really great traffic source. This is free traffic. You could do Facebook marketing. I believe they also have a training in here about Facebook marketing. Yeah, Facebook and social media they talk about. And then, of course, you could even do something like TikTok, which I know is working for a lot of newbies, right? So TikTok is hands down one of the best ways to start driving traffic. And, you know, just a spoiler, actually, this traffic jumpstart training is it's TikTok traffic. So I'm kind of spoiling it right there. But this is hands down one of the simplest ways to start getting traffic very quickly, and without having to invest any sort of money with that, right? So when you have access to this training, there's absolutely no excuse to not get the results that you're looking for, because this is free traffic, it's fast, it's high quality, and it is very newbie friendly, right? So you have this training right here. I show you how to do that. But of course, your main focus with this program, and one big mistake that I'll kind of mention real quick is that one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of new affiliate marketers make when they're first starting out. This isn't just with multiple income funnel, but this is with any program that a lot of newbies tend to get into, is that what a lot of newbies will do when they join a program like this or any other program is that they will get in. They'll buy like one traffic package, from Traffic Authority. They'll buy like just one package. They'll just sit back, let the system do, everything. And then if they don't get a sale within their first couple days, then immediately they give up, they get bitter, they call it a scam, they play the victim card, and then they just kind of, they get angry, right? But, the name of the game, I really want to put this out there. One kind of sort of mindset shift that I want to give you as you're going into this is, of course, it really comes down to consistency, right? The more consistent you could be as it pertains to getting people to view your capture page, to opt in, the more leads you get, the more people you get watching the sales video, that of course will lead to more potential revenue, right? So then the name of the game is getting consistent eyeballs to get consistent leads, and getting consistent leads will get you to consistent sales, right? So what you want to focus on primarily is you want to focus more so on getting leads in the door, right? Getting people to go to your capture page, opt in, and of course, if you can get a consistent threshold of leads every day, like for example, if you just start out and you aim to get, for example, 10 leads per day, right? This is a great starting point. You get 10 leads per day, and then after that you bumped up to 20 leads per day, right? So what you want to do, ideally, to really maximize your results of this program is you want to challenge yourself to really maximize the number of leads you get every single day. So you go 10, 20, then 30, and then 40, 50, 60, right? The more the higher number of leads you can get per day, the more traffic you get, whether, if you do just Traffic Authority, or if you combine this with a free traffic source, which is what I recommend, do this plus maybe some TikTok or some YouTube. This right here, you do those consistently. Maybe like you do Instagram Reels as well. The more traffic you get will, of course, lead to better results for the long term, right? And that's really the thing that you really want to be focusing on, right? So, whereas most people who try any sort of program like this, they fail because they just, they buy like one traffic package and they expect to, become a millionaire overnight. But it really does not work that way. You have to look at this program as simply nothing more than a vehicle, right? So, multiple income funnel at the end of the day is simply nothing more than a vehicle. The system itself just sits there, right? When you buy into it, it isn't guaranteed that it'll get you from point A to point B. It really comes down to what you're willing to put into it, right? So, it's just like how if you fill up your car with gas, right? If you want to get from point A to point B, you got to of course fill up your vehicle with gas. That's the traffic, and then of course you operate that vehicle and you go from point A to point B, right? It's also, you could also compare this to like working out, right? You work out one time at the gym, right? That one workout session isn't going to get you 6-pack abs, but what is going to get you to that, that specific shape is doing that consistently over the course of 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year. And that is what will, of course, help you to really maximize your results with the long term, right? So always remember this. Nothing worthwhile is easy, and nothing easy is worthwhile, right? So that's, of course, the main thing that I really want to mention this video, but I think I've pretty much rambled on enough for this video. If you see an opportunity for yourself and you really want to get up and running, you're like, you know, I'm ready to get on board with this. I really want to get up and running. I really want to get those consistent sales coming in. Then all you got to do is simply click the first link down below. Get started today, my friend. I will see you on the inside, and you will also get access to my exclusive bonuses, my bonus training, and also you'll have the option to get on a one-on-one coaching session with myself, right? So again, click the first link down below, check it out for yourself, and I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.